So we're going to start off with the match and index functions. Here I've got a match function looking up the row that, in this case, Dirk Nowitzki would be found in. So I'm just going to go ahead and write another one and figure out where Ray Allen would be in. So the first thing I'm going to do is equals, obviously, match. Lookup value, I want to find Ray Allen. For my lookup array, I want to choose all the players. And it's going to return me the row that Ray Allen is found in. So I'm going to go ahead and use that to, in conjunction with the index function, to show me Ray Allen's field goal percentage. So I'm going to go ahead and say equals index. In my array, I'm going to choose the field goal percentage section. And then for my row number, I'm going to want to use my match function that I just created. So find Ray Allen, players. And it's going to give me Ray Allen's field goal percentage, which is a stellar 50%. So moving on, we're going to do the H lookup. I've created one here that looks for the it looks for a player and then tells you returns the team that that player's on. So see here, I've got my function written out. I'm gonna go ahead and make another one for Andrew Luck. Oh, that's a mistake. Go ahead and undo that. So I'm gonna say equals H lookup. My lookup value, I want to find Andrew Luck. So I just choose that cell. For my array, I'm going to want to choose everything. It's a pretty long list here. I passed it. So it's going to look in that array for my value, which is Andrew Luck. My row index number, I'm going to choose 2, so it will return the team because it chooses the second row. And then I'm going to just hit enter, and it gives me the team that he's on, the Indianapolis Colts. Now for VLOOKUP, I've done one that returns yards per game for the quarterback of your choosing. So here's my function for that one. Now I'm going to go ahead and make this one for Joe Flacco. I've got Tony Romo throwing 234 yards per game for the Cowboys, my man. So equals VLOOKUP. My lookup value, I want to find Joe Flacco. The array, just looking here for the quarterback. And column index number, I'm actually going to go ahead and increase that array. So I think I needed to, yeah. My array is going to be a whole table instead of just the quarterbacks. And then I want to find, what's going on here? I want to find yards per game, which I believe is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nine columns over. So choose 9. And then it returns your yards per game for Joe Flacco, 263.8. If you look up here, you'll just see that that's correct. And that's how you do those three functions.